Hello there, join me for another vlog on Bikol blade culture. Now the question now is, what is considered as premium wood as per Bikol blade culture? What is considered as premium or best wood as per Bikol blade culture when we talk of scabbard material or hilt material? The answer to that is Maravical wood. Okay, Maravical wood. Maravical wood is therefore considered as the premium wood as per Bikol blade culture, especially when you are making a scabbard for your blade or for your sword. It is followed only by the so-called Barayong wood. Now, Maravical wood is considered as black wood, while Barayong wood is considered as red wood. But both are considered as iron wood because they are really very tough and very hard, almost as tough as steel or iron. Now, Maravical wood is quite rare. You can only find them in the mountains. Okay? You can find them only in the mountains if you want to find Maravical tree. However, you can also find Maravical wood when you chance upon people who are, who are trying to renovate their homes. And the said homes are made of wood and have been built long time ago. So you can find Maravical in the mountains and in homes being renovated, especially old homes, old houses. All right. Well, my source for this Maravical wood is my Cimarron friend. My Cimarron friend. You know very well that I am into blade research as well and into Bikol martial arts, particularly Cimarron fighting arts. And this Maravical wood came from my Cimarron friends. Now this came as remnants of the series of storms that hit Bikol late last year. As you know, we had lots of storms last year, almost 4 strong typhoons. And these were felled. These were part of the trees, Maravical trees, felled by the storm last year. So now let's try to appreciate the wood up close. Yeah, there. This did not come from a living tree, but this came as part of a trunk of a tree that was felled by the storms last year. Alright, let's check some blade. This time the knife has Barayong wood as scabbard. So check this out, compare it with this one. There, it's black, the other one is black, the other one is more, it's like red. But both are considered premium, both are considered tough. Right, now this one is actually Barayong wood. This is red wood, so compare it with Maravical. It's red and not black. There. So that's how tough Maravical is. You can't just chip it like that. It's really tough. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll talk more about the Bikol blade culture and blade building in future episodes. Join me for more episodes on current events, poetry, literature. What else? Music, rock music, particularly outdoors, prepping, martial arts, and survivalism. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.